How to fix Uber Eats address. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about fixing the Uber Eats address problem. So in order to fix this issue, you need to manually update your address. So open the Uber Eats app and then tap on the address bar in the top. Here you can go ahead and edit or add address or enable your current location or search for an address in the top search bar. Also, do not forget to add the correct details like apartment number or delivery instructions as well. And another thing you can do is enable or fix the location services. If the app shows the wrong location, you can go to your settings on your phone and then you can search for the location. Go ahead and search for location and make sure that it's turned on. Also go to location services and go through the settings over there. And if your saved address is wrong, go ahead and delete it and then search for a new address in the search bar and add it. Even if the main screen is wrong, you can change the delivery address when you order. Always check the map pin before confirming, and if the address is correct but the drivers get lost, you can use the in-app chat to send directions after ordering. You can go to help, contact the Uber support, and report an issue with delivery. So this was all about it. I hope you found this informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.